Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Yvette here to give you some amazing marketing tips. So please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the videos. So today I want to tell you about a few of our clients and some of our recent clients that had a very successful insurance company in Hawaii, but they had to just keep purchasing leads for their business. And mind you, most of those never converted for them because either the leads had been previously used or the potential customer is just not actually interested. They probably filled out a form online to win something. They didn't know that they had opted into giving their information for insurance. So who knows? Needless to say, they were not potential customers for my client. And so our client was just fed up. They decided to try something new, and we helped them to implement a fully automated system where they were able to generate leads directly through their social media profiles without having to spend a single dime on purchasing leads or running any ads. I will leave a short video from them in just a moment so you can see exactly what they did and how excited they were to see their entire system put together. And another client we had was in the coaching field, and what they did was they actually were able to receive their first lead even before they launched the new system, I think within 24 hours. And they were so shocked to see such quick results. They didn't even imagine that this could happen. So now this isn't the case every time, but I can tell you that you will get free leads as long as you're posting and commenting, something that we all do for free anyway. So why not spend that time getting leads and sales for your business? I mean, you're already on Facebook, you're already on YouTube and different things. So it's already there. So why not use it? So check out these two clients and stay tuned for my next video where I show you exactly how easy it is to set this up for your business and how easy it is for you to do in the first place. It sounds overwhelming, but it really isn't. As long as you have someone to guide you and coach you through the entire process, you will see exactly how easy this entire process is.
Aloha, my name is Kathy Santa Ana. I'm an insurance person and I needed a way to find an updated way to find more leads for clients. And I decided to meet with a friend so that we could brainstorm. And then she had mentioned lead funnels. I had no idea what she was talking about, but the thought stuck with me. And so I made an appointment actually with this other guy, another company, but we didn't quite click. And then right about that time, all of a sudden on Facebook, I saw Yvette from Unlimited Insurance Leads Machine. And so I clicked on that. And lo and behold, she had this program called Do It For You. And that's exactly what I needed. She had delivered, her and her team. They designed it. I had suggestions for certain things that I wanted specific to my area, my clients, and they were so accommodating. I am so happy, and they delivered it and turned it over. I'd say within like 5 to 7 days, really quick. I am so happy, and I can't wait to see how this works out. I think it's going to be really good. In fact, I'm so tempted to go and click my thing for myself. Okay, thanks a lot. Aloha.
Hi, my name is Emily Haruko Lieb, and I'm a transformational life guide and business coach. I've been building my coaching practice for the last 7 years through invitation and referral, and I knew that it was time to up my tech game and start generating leads from my social media and the internet. Tech is not my strong suit, and I am so grateful that I said yes to Yvette and that I did the Done For You program. I'm so excited about allowing my business to reach more people, to create more lead generation, and to really be scaling my business. It's been an honor to work with Yvette. Her customer service is top notch. She goes above and beyond. She provided, the extra mile coaching support, ideas, just an overall amazing cheerleader and believer in me and what I'm up to. And I'm just so grateful that I said yes. And I can't imagine having taken my business in a funnel generating way with anybody else. So if you're considering diving in with Yvette, I promise you, You will not regret it. She knows her stuff and her service is top notch. I'm really excited about what the future holds, and I wish you all the luck in what you're up to too. And thanks, Yvette, so much for all your help and support. So grateful. Thanks a lot.
Just subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see the next video when it comes out. I'll see you guys in the next video.